Okay, so a parent asked a great question about what would be the key ingredients when it comes to teaching her child how to be a better, stronger writer. So I have 3 key ingredients for you. Number 1, please make sure that your child knows the purpose for the writing assignment. And the answer is not because mom said so. Is your child supposed to persuade you, inform you, or entertain you? Be sure you know the purpose and understand the foundational styles. Number 2, please make sure that your child is organizing those thoughts really well. So taking notes and creating an outline helps with that organization, understanding that we have an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. Super helpful. And my 3rd key ingredient, celebrate the good writing. Congratulate your child on a job well done. We all like accolades, even in writing.